Okay. They have everything. They have a trial also, they have products, they have pricing, how it works, support, every single thing they have on their home website. But when you go to a landing page specifically, this is for everyone and hear it very clearly that you don't have a menu bar. Why? You don't have a menu bar because if user wants to know something beyond that, he will try to navigate a lot of pages, and when he navigates, he keeps on moving to first page to second page to third page. He might overall lose that interest movement or the heat of the movement, which is known as where you want to fill up a form, where you are aggressive looking for something, and you want to get that thing. Okay, you lose that moment if a user spends more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes browsing different pages. So that's why we always keep no menu bar so that user can't move out. He has three options. He can call you. He can take a trial. He can buy this product. Okay. He can again take the trial of the product. He can know about the product. He know how it works, trust factor he added, and then about the product. But uh, initially on the top menu bar, you won't find him that moving two different pages. It's a simple reason that we want to take the advantage of the user that he is he or she is in moment of search. He wants to do something, do it in a hurried manner, and you want that information. So when he is in hurry, he fill up the information easily, and when he fills up, he gets it. So that is what you have to keep it. Aditya, I will take your question later on. Just please wait. And second thing is you have to build the things very precisely in a landing page. First is information. Second is your CTAs and then attractive information related to it and the features of the product or USP of the product. And it comes, these both comes under that, and then trust factor and a bit more information. That's all. No need to put a lot of information into it. There are two reasons to it. If you are a well-known brand like Flipkart and all, people trust you blind, and they have very limited option. Either they can go on Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, for electronics, primarily Amazon or Flipkart, apart from Jabong, Snapdeal, which people don't consider as really an option. Okay, you have two options, either Flipkart or Amazon. Whoever gets attracted to one of them, stick to them and buy it. You are not in that position ever. Uh, uh, Surely you are not one of the players like that ever. Easily, you can not become in less. It will take more than 10 years to become that. And when you spend a huge amount of money in marketing, branding, and all, which generally doesn't happen with 99.9% of the businesses. Like Intuit Books is a very big group in itself, but in India they are struggling for their presence. So that's why they use this kind of thing. When you are a well-known brand, well-known thing, then you can do things like Flipkart, no issues. But till that point, you have to restrict yourself to that. Now, Aditya, you raised your hand. Go ahead, please ask your question.
So I've checked that. Just to add a small query. I think only the top logo page has a link to the home page. Otherwise, I've also checked that there is no other link
Yeah,
as such.
it is somebody does not click on logo generally because most of the people think that it's just the placement of logo. It's not a clickable link. Okay, it's not that only this link they have. They have in footer, legal, privacy. Okay, footer, this legal, privacy, and all is because no, they know nobody is going to click on these three links. Okay. But if somebody is suspicious about it, can go and check. I hope it's clear what are the elements in a landing page. Information again, CTA feature of it in precise manner. You don't have to write essays on it. Okay. You have to be very, very precise. You don't have to write essay. Please, guys, let's understand it very clearly that we don't have to write essay in content like create and send professional GST voice, GST invoice, get ready to use GST report, design and create professional reports, track sales bills. It's all very precise. It's not they have written kahanis over here. There is a huge paragraph you read and understand it. Okay, you have to be very precise. In loan broker also, if you see, okay, if I go down, how it works, they have explained it very precisely that check your eligibility. Once you check it, apply it, get advice, and fix an appointment. The last step you forgot is get your loan. So it completes what the ultimate goal user is looking for. He is not looking for an appointment. He's looking for a loan. So if you can add one more step to it, it would be great. Okay. Then what our partner says, what our bank should be shortened up, what our bank partner says is not what people are looking at. People are looking at what uh, a user says. Okay, and these kind of blogs I don't find is relevant. Rest is perfect. Okay, you don't require a Google map also to be true because nobody is coming to your office. After the COVID-19 is already in that phase that where nobody will like to come, but yes, Google Maps is not required at all right now. Okay, and minimize the use the space properly. It should be spacious, no doubt on it, but you should be able to use it in the maximum possible manner. Okay, utilize the space fully. At the same time, it should not be so close to each other that elements are colliding over each other, and it's difficult to read. But at the same time, you have to make it best maximum use of. Okay, I don't know what this effect is helping the user to. If it is increasing the size of your time, then you should start avoiding it.
You're right. I have to get it removed. It's a bit
Yeah,
distracting also.
it is distracting. matlab, Distracting is one thing, but the main purpose, because somebody might get attracted to it and then he starts playing with it and then forget what he came for. Okay, which is very less chances, but that may happen. Okay, so that's all in website designing and planning. We are not going to learn here that how to develop a website to be true because we are not here to become a website developer. We are here to become digital marketing expert and we will do that only. Okay, but the basic elements you should always know about website planning and creation because you might require it in future when you are creating your businesses. It takes a lot of time. It's not sitemap can be created. Sitemap can be created actually in 1 day, but creating a creating wireframe for each page will take around 3 to 4 hours. You have to research all your competitors. You have to list out what your client wants from you on that page, and then after that you have to place it properly. Okay, and think twice, thrice, make 3 4 versions of it, uh, show it to a lot of people, and then put it on a paper and give a final approval. And don't keep changing it. Once you set it up, and if you are unsatisfied after building it, you can do couple of tweaks, 3 4 tweaks, placement of elements here and there, but do not change the whole content of that wireframe. So that's all in website designing and primarily website designing and landing page designing. and designing elements in the landing page. If anyone has any question, please go ahead.